Have you ever known you can deactivate your Instagram just using your Facebook account? This is how to do that thing. You can see this is my Facebook account. I will show you this is my Facebook account. To get this update, you have to update your Facebook application to the latest version. So open Play Store or App Store, then go to Facebook application, then hit update button. Then you will get the latest version of Facebook application. After open Facebook application, you don't need to open Instagram application. After opening Facebook, tap the hamburger menu. Here either you can tap the setting icon or scroll down and tap settings and privacy. Now tap settings. Here you will get this option account center at the top of the list. Sometimes if you can't find that option at the top, scroll down, that option might be at the bottom. So go forward, open account center. As well as to complete this action, you have to connect both Facebook and Instagram account. Go forward, select personal details, select account ownership and control, tap deactivation or deletion. Since we are going to deactivate our Instagram account, here you have to select Instagram. Then you can see this is the window we need. As well as you can see deactivate account is set by default. Go forward, type continue. Here it asks to re-enter your password. After entering, tap continue. If they ask a reason, select the last one, something else, then tap continue. Finally you will get this window. Select deactivate my account at the bottom. The deactivation process, the Facebook and Instagram is the almost same. That's it. Later.